Hi, my name is Guy from MLEBI, and I'm going to talk about Ensembl Plants, a resource for plant genomes. So I think we can all agree that plant genomic data is really helping us with the global challenges of food security and environmental change. And here is just a short list of papers about genome publications over the last few years, genomes and plant genomes, with much more being published and much more happening. And that's really awesome. But what we do need to do is find sustainable ways to actually access and store this information in the long term. This is why I present Ensembl Plants. Ensembl Plants, to put it short, is a resource or platform for presenting and storing plant genomes. We have a genome browser for nearly 100 plant species, variation data, comparative genomics, free and open source. There's many, many other things in Ensembl, but I think one of the take home that Ensembl has been around for more than 20 years. We're very stable. The main bit of Ensembl, I would say, is Ensembl Plants genome browser. Here you can see for wheat, you can see there's information about exons, variation, introns, genes from different sources. And now I'm going to try to bravely attempt a 60-second demo. So if you go to the main Ensembl Plants page and search for DRAW1, DRAW1 is a gene in rice that we know are connected to rice yield under drought conditions. And here you can see that drought conditions in rice is indeed becoming more and more of an issue. First of all, you would reach this sort of gene page, a bit of information about the gene, a link to orthologs, which we'll see in a bit, and also the genome browser view, which we saw before. This is sort of a higher and lower pane. And one nice thing here is, again, the variation data from different sources, which gives a lot of information about variants in this gene. And you can get a list of all the orthologs for a specific gene. And also we have something called our comparative gene tree, where you can see again for the same DRAW1 gene, you can see how it's compared to different genes from different types of rice and also different rice with relatives, which I hope is something that is very helpful for the rice community, for breeders and for scientists. I hope this was helpful, and in the last 10 seconds, if you want to know a bit more, we have a fantastic outreach teams. We give workshops and courses. You can chat for me on Spatial during this conference. And finally, if you have any questions for me, just Google Guy EBI. You should be able to find me. Thank you very much for your time.